magandang tanghali po. This is DJ Scratch. And right now, meron po tayong re-reviewin or meron po tayong gagamitin. Actually, this is relevant po sa pag-DJs or sa about sound and light system. Okay? Ang ating re-reviewin right now is yan. This is Cream Silk. Alright? You see? Cream Silk triple keratin. This is biotin serum conditioner. So kung nakikita niyo po, ayan, ating susubukan sa ating hair, just like don't care. Testingin natin to sa aking buhok kasi medyo nalalagas na dito or medyo nagpo-falling hair siya, lalo na pagka actually kahit naliligo or kahit nakahiga, pagka nagpapamassage ako ng aking scalp, may mga hair fall. So, we will try this one. As you see, this is Cream Silk. This is triple keratin biotin serum conditioner. Okay? So, this is relevant sa pagdi-DJ or remix or mix. So, wala muna tayong gagawin mga ganon. Ito muna re-review natin. Siyempre, asikasuhin natin ang ating scalp. Okay? So, mayroon balik sa tayo dito. This is also Cream Silk. So, this is, wait. Alright, yan. Kita nyo folks. This is Cream Silk Triple Keratin Rescue. Ultimate Hair Fall Defiance. Ultra Conditioner. So, magkaiba sila, no? Pero pareho silang parang hair fall. Ito muna. So, siguro ang akin munang testingin or susubukan sa aking hair, this one. Kung medyo nababasa nyo ba siya. Okay. So, ito. Yan po. Yan. Cream Silk Triple Keratin Rescue. Okay. So, try natin siya for 1 week. Ito sa ating hair. Just like don't care. So, alright folks. Once again, this is DJ Scratch. And wala muna tayong re-review mga audio equipments or DJ equipments, sound and light. So dito muna tayo sa aking personal use ito, conditioner. Okay? So pabalikan ko kayo after 1 week kung ano magiging result sa aking hair, just like don't care. Dahil medyo nagpa-fall siya. So after 1 week I will show you. Okay? So, see you. Bye-bye.